Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one we're covering family court statistics quarterly data. There's lots and lots of data in these Excel files, as you can see here. So if we just go through some of the tables, they're laid out fairly nicely, but as you can see, you've got things like headings here. So this is in bold, but it's in the same place. So if you import that into your SQL table, you'll obviously lose the formatting. We deal with that with our processes, so we can tell we can recognize the formatting when we're loading the data as well, and therefore split up headings and subheadings and sub-subheadings in the actual tables. So lots and lots of data, and that's all separated up into this schema. There's 26 tables, 124,000 rows so far, data going back to 2002. If we just have a look now, so we want family court. Here it is. Okay, private law cases. So you've got the idea there. National adoptions. You can see the sort of types and different categories there, and the values at the end. All sorts of data in this schema. If you want to have a look at it properly and sort of play around with the data, follow the link in the description. You'll get instantaneous free access, just like you can see on the screen now, through Snowflake for 30 days. And if you want to use it for longer, then let us know. Thank you.